Today I'm cooking a simple steamed pork rib with homemade ginger scallion sauce for dinner. It is simple to cook, delicious and flavorful. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 850 grams of pork ribs, washed, 4 pieces of dry chili, half tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of Somjit wine or Chinese cooking rice wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 stalk of spring onions, and 6 tablespoons of homemade ginger scallion sauce. This is what it looks like. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Sprinkle all salt on the pork ribs, pepper, sesame oil, and light soy sauce. Rub and marinate all the seasoning and pork rib until well incorporated. Add in tapioca flour. Continue to marinate the pork rib until well combined with tapioca flour. Add in the washed dry chili. Arrange the pork rib in a steaming tray. Ensure that the pork ribs are not overlapping. As I am using the same tray to steam and serve the pork rib, I am wiping the side of the tray for presentation purposes. Let's steam it. I have prepared quite a lot of hot boiling water in the steaming pan. This is to steam the pork rib for about an hour or until the ribs are soft. Place the tray in the steamer. Cover with a heat-resistant plate. This is to prevent the water droplet from the steam dropping back inside the dish. Cover the steamer and set the time for 1 hour. While waiting for the pork rib to cook, take out 6 tablespoons of ginger scallion sauce. Ensure the spoon is dry to prevent contaminating the ginger scallion sauce with water. Otherwise, it will go bad very quickly. Leave it aside. After 1 hour, the pork ribs are cooked and should be soft. Loosen the pork ribs. Add in all the Somjit wine. Scoop and spread the ginger scallion sauce on the top of all the pork ribs evenly. Cover the dish with the plate again and continue to steam for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, wow, the smell of steamed Somjit wine, ginger scallion sauce, and the pork rib is so good. Switch off the heat. Remove the dish from the steamer and place it on the coaster. Use a scraper to loosen some pieces of pork rib that are stuck together. This also makes the pork rib and delicious gravy as well. Sprinkle some cut spring onions and we are done. This is best served immediately. Let's eat! Delicious, very tasty and rich in flavor. The pork ribs are soft and tender. The gravy is mildly spicy, savory and sweet, so heavenly. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.